Walking through the streets of a city so old, where the stories unfold, and the buildings stand tall with a sense of unity that is hard to find. In a world that's so blind, we can break down the walls. In the heart of this town, where the people reside, there's a spirit that can't hide. It's keeping us alive. With every smile and every helping hand, we are taking a stand. Together we will thrive. Oh, we're building bridges, reaching out our hands, creating a vision where everyone understands. With the strength of our community, we'll never be alone. Oh, we're bridges, a place we can call home. Ooh, ooh.